How can prompt engineering be used to improve the performance of large language models (LLM) in generating accurate and unbiased responses? Answer. Prompt engineering is a technique used to improve the performance of large language models (LLM) by carefully designing the input prompts or instructions that guide the model's responses. The goal is to steer the model's outputs in the desired direction, ensuring they are more accurate, relevant, and free from biases. To achieve this, developers can use various strategies, such as providing few-shot samples, adding limitations or recommendations, and incrementally improving prompts. For instance, providing few-shot samples can help the model learn from a small set of examples, allowing it to generate more accurate and context-specific responses. Adding limitations or recommendations can help the model stay focused on the task at hand, reducing the likelihood of generating irrelevant or off-topic responses. Incrementally improving prompts can help the model learn from its mistakes, refining its responses over time. By using prompt engineering, developers can improve the factual accuracy of LLM outputs, reduce biases, and enhance the overall quality of the responses. This is particularly important in applications where accuracy and fairness are critical, such as in search engines, chatbots, and language translation systems. By carefully designing prompts, developers can unlock the full potential of LLM, enabling them to generate high-quality responses that meet specific requirements and standards. In summary, prompt engineering is a powerful technique for improving the performance of LLM. By carefully designing prompts, developers can guide the model's responses, ensuring they are accurate, relevant, and free from biases. This can have a significant impact on the quality of LLM outputs, making them more effective and reliable in a wide range of applications.